from the company Elsno is a blood pressure monitor. We're going to display and show you a live demonstration of how it works. We're going to unbox the unit and show you what you get inside. On top of the unit is going to be a USB-C cable, two armbands, a small and a large, an instruction guide to go over in the multiple languages, a carrying bag to put away and store, bring with you, and protected is your blood pressure monitor, 4 AAA batteries included. The blood pressure monitor for home use, 8 through 17 inch and 12 through 21 inch extra large blood pressure cuffs. Upper arm blood pressure machine for digital BP machine with 2 times 195 set and 6-inch large backlit LED display. We have our unit plugged into a 5-volt cable. We have the short band and the long band, and we'll show you what the short band is about. On the machine, plug into the left side, lock in. Take the band and open up. With the monitoring system, the stethoscope, slide your arm in, bend your arm up, and rotate around. Do not over tighten. With the machine, hit start. The machine starts up, runs its test, and slowly pumps. For any reason, hit the stop if you want to stop the machine. To start, just simply hit start. Your blood pressure is being read. We have 130 SYS, 84 DIA, 89 PUL for number A. We have 2 greens and an orange, the battery power. When done, pull off and slide off the arm. Memory to save. As you hit the memory, those are our readings. Hitting number set. A, memory. B, start. B is now being registered for blood pressure. Stop. For larger arms, simply remove the small cuff. Take the large cuff, place in, open up, and slide over and lock down. So if you're looking for a blood pressure machine, battery operated, compact, small cuff, and large cuff, this machine may be something that you are looking for. It comes with a nice medium-sized carrying bag that everything fits in. Small, compact, lightweight, travel for your blood pressure monitoring needs. I hope you enjoy this product if this is something that you are looking for monitoring your blood pressure. Thank you for viewing.